let's quickly finish up. So project this point up, this one up, there you go. So this one, it will remain as a center line. This is a center line. It's going to remain as a center line. So there you go. Yes, it's this one and that one. Let me mark them. There you go. The very last one is this one. You understand? There you go. Have this one. Have this one. Have this one. Have this one. So we are drawing the missing view. The missing view, which is 2.3, whereby they said to draw a full sectional left view on a cutting plane YY. And when you trace the cutting plane of YY, it's actually situated there by our front view YY. You understand? It could be situated in our top view. It was still going to be the same thing. You understand? Because we're going to project points. Once they touch the line of 45 degrees, they go up. You understand? It was still going to be the same thing. So YY. And we draw what is being pointed by arrows, like as I used to say. So our cutting plane YY. So these arrows are actually pointing this direction. So which means this surface, we're going to see it clearly. So these diameter 8 holes, we are going to see them clearly. So if there are 2 in our front view, do you see that there are 2 in our front view, and you check them again there by your top view, there are still 2, which means in total this diameter 8 holes, there are 4. You understand? That's when you're going to see them clearly. There are 4. You understand? So there are 4. So guys, some of your comment I might not be able to see them because I'm concentrating on the drawing sheet, on the paper, other than on the screen. Yeah, Mamito is saying, I last drew in 2018, drop out, enroll for entry next year. I'm very serious. I'm going to catch up. Yeah, my guy. Yeah, go for it. I'll advise you, go for it. Yeah, 2018. So it's not yet late. It's not yet late. And we are here for you. I'll be visiting this page a lot. Yes, and you can still check it. Our full videos are there in our YouTube channel. Simply search eTutus Digital School, my guy. You'll get us there, the full detailed video. It's drawn step by step, line by line, point by point. You understand? So you simply search eTutus Digital School on Google or on YouTube. You'll get us there. Alright, so let's continue. So I've took all of the points that are they behaving horizontal there from my top view. Understand? I've constructed them. Once they touch this line of 45 degrees, I project them up. So these ones that are here on my front view, they'll be just going horizontally straight. You understand? So it's this one that goes, it's already there, just this. The last one is this one. There it is. We've projected majority of them here in our top view, front view, top to front all together. So this is what is going to happen now. So for, first of all, I'm going to trace this point in my left view. So this point is actually along this point, this line, right? So if I take it vertically towards my top view, there it is. Once it touches there it is. So which means I have what? I have a point here. So this point, it will be going horizontal till where? Who's going to tell me that is what? Is the top view. because this point is that one in my front view, in my top view is that one. So how long is it supposed to be? I'll come back to my top view and trace it vertically. Once it get here, which means I can now go horizontally. They go from here, I go up, which means it's right there. So which means I can draw this one dark from here till there. You understand? Dark. And let me project it up. So it's going to be up till where I will firstly move it right from my front view. There it goes, there it goes, there it goes, up until right there. So which means in my left view I will know okay, it's ending right there. So then I can have it solid. There you go. So again, what I did this other side, so now I will know okay, even this other side is supposed to be like this. Then I close it here. Close it here nicely. Do you understand? So this is what I'm going to see if I put the cutting plane YY. The cutting plane YY right here. Because remember, it has been given. Why? You understand? So we draw what is being pointed by an arrow, isn't it? So this surface is actually before or it's after the cutting plane, so we are going to see it clearly. You understand? What is going to be cutted is only from here till here, not this other part. And check your front view as well as your top view. We've got diameter 8, like as I've said before. So this diameter 8, we are going to see them clearly. How now? They are of a height of 60, isn't it? 60 millimeter. So take your 60 millimeter. I can simply put 60 divided by 2 because of the center. So I mark it 60 and mark it what? It is 0. You understand? So I can have these hidden details now. Even here, hidden details. Hidden detail. A1. Then after that, what is going to happen now? So after that, we are going to look at what their width, because we in our top view, this is the width from here till here, is not height, is width or breadth. So their width is going to be how much? It's going to be 40. So check, I'm going to relate it right from as much as is given in our top view. So that 40, I'll do it on my top view again. It's either here or here, it will be still on the same thing. So 40 divided by 2 is 20, isn't it? Simply put it at 20. So I mark it 0 and mark it 40. You understand? So it's this one. It's actually on top of this line. So I'll know there it goes from there. I trace it towards my left view. So the vertical center line is supposed to be this one. You understand? So even this other side, it should be this one. I trace it first. That goes from there, that goes, so the vertical one, it should be this one. So now I can draw the surface diameter, what? Diameter 8. diameter. It's simply open your drawing compass to 4mm, or you can use this stencil ruler. Since we have both centers, the vertical and horizontal, diameter 8, we are going to see them clearly now. Diameter 8, in this other side, diameter 8, you understand. So this diameter 8, even down here we are going to have another one down here, who's telling us that is our top view, a front view, you understand, because we've got 1, 2, you understand. And when you check there by your top view, you've got 1, 2, which means in total they are going to be 4, you understand. So which means on this other one, the vertical center line, it will be this one, the vertical center line, it will be this one. Diameter 8. And this other side, diameter 8. So then let's expose what is going to be cutted, because this is actually before the cutting plane, you understand. So we know with the cutting plane started to cut here till right there, you understand. So now if I trace this, it's actually this point, there it goes, actually this one, understand. It's actually this a line, it's this one. So now how am I going to say what is it dark from here till here, or what is really happening there, you understand. So to see that one clearly, so I'll take this point straight to my top view, trace it down, is this one, isn't it? Once it gets there, so this point must collide with this one that is going straight there, right from my front view. So this one goes straight, right? I've just marked it there. So this one now take it vertically, then once it touch here, so I'll take it horizontally, there it goes, then from here goes up, must collide with this one. So which means I have to have what, this here, and I am going to do it just a little bit short now for now. So there it goes, just do it a little bit short now. So is it going to be which one? This other side. Go back to your top view. Remember, you trace this point horizontally, isn't it? Horizontally. Let me try to just zoom a little bit. Then that goes now. You take it vertically. There it goes. Once it gets there, you took it horizontally. There it goes. Once it gets there, goes up to collide with what is coming from your front view. So that is why I had a point there. Here one. So now we don't know what is it, this one or is this one, understand. So let it come out by itself. How? Go and further take it down right from your top view, take it down up until at this point, then take it horizontally. That goes, then from here goes up until at this point, you understand. So once it gets there, and then I can have this now, so dark, you understand. So I've gotten this part of my left view, you understand. So remember, whatever that is beyond your cutting plane, you consider it as an offcut. So which means this part this part is supposed to be out. We are not even going to bother ourselves drawing this one, understand, because we consider it as an offcut. So then this hacksaw started to cut from here till here, you understand. So from here till here the hacksaw was not cutting anything, it's a gap. From here till here the hacksaw cut it, you understand. And check it nicely, your front view, there's something we left there. Check it nicely. You see that we have hidden details there. We have hidden details. And when you cut the full sectional cutting plane of your front view, full sectional front view, we set assuming is what is given by BP. So this, suppose it will be affected, it will change to be dark. So do not forget to have this one solid and have that one solid. While we are still remembering, let's construct them solid and solid. So this one, which is that one, you understand, right? So now we've traced this point, which is that one in our left view, isn't it? So now we are going to move from there till there, which is from there till there. It's still one and the same thing, isn't it? It's still one and the same thing. So then you trace this point horizontally. There it goes, there it goes. So it's along this point, there it goes along this line, isn't it? I just put a point there along this line, you understand. So now I will know what it's supposed to go down up until somewhere here, you understand. So I can simply construct it then, since I've constructed what I did before. So I know that it seems to be is actually in the same vertical line. So I can simply construct it like this. Be careful. So there you go. You understand? So even this other side, there it goes, there it goes. So which means supposed to be somewhere here. So you understand? So why am I not closing here? Just closing here. Why am I not closing there? Because take a closer look of your of your front view. You see that it's not as straight as compared to the upper part. You understand? So the bottom part is not just, so there's something going down there. You understand? There's something that is going down there. So you have to get rid of it. So it should be still the same as that one of your front view. It should be still the same. So it should be still the same dimension, So to get that, so from here till they construct it, which means up until here. So but which point along this constructional line of mine, you understand? So now remember that is this point, isn't it? So now I am going to construct this point horizontally, was already existing. So now take it vertically towards your top view. There it goes. So up until right here, isn't it? No, it's this one. Then from there, gonna go. There you go. It's constructed. There you go. From here, there you go. Which means I'm going to have a point right here. Then from there it goes, which means I'm gonna have a point right there. You understand? And to confirm that, remember the set is a radius. So from here till here is 22. So which means if I place my drawing compass from here till here. That's 22. It must be the same as from here till here, which means it's this one and this one. So the correct one is this one and that one, because it's diameter, supposed to be diameter, it's supposed to be the same because it's diameter. So now I can have that from here to right there. You understand? And construct it. Like this. And this other side. Like this. And then what is going to happen now? When we cut or tracing this cutting plane of YY, cut from here till there, cut from here to here, it's a hole. And remember, they said it's diameter 26. So which means now when we are viewing it on our left view, we are supposed to see what it seems to be a square. When you are looking at it directly like this, it seems to be like a square. But when you read its dimension, they're saying it's a diameter. So which means when you come to view it on your left view, it's supposed to be what? A cycle. Supposed to be a cycle. So now I'm going to say 26 divided by 2. Where is my ruler? It's 13, isn't it? Okay, so I can simply put my drawing compass at 13 or use this tool. Do I have 26? Yes, this is my diameter 26. Put it along the centers vertically and horizontally and have it without fear or favor. You're supposed to get it like this. Why? Because of the set is diameter 26, and do you see that there it goes, so it tally with this one. Even this one, that goes, it tallies, which shows that we are 100% correct. Because from here to here is 26, which is this diameter. So why is it a diameter now? Because remember guys, we are viewing it YY. So when you check it on this other side and you check it and you draw it directly like this, it will be now a diameter. And inside this one, there is another diameter of what? That you're going to see it clearly. Diameter of what? Of 12. Because this one, we are going to see it clearly now, which is diameter 12, which means inside there must be diameter 12. Where is it? Diameter 12. So I can have this one so dark. You understand? So if I can construct this one, you see that is also tally. There it goes, just constructional line. In this one, just constructional line. And so it's diameter 12. So this is what is going to be in sectioning. This is what is going to be in sectioning. So from here till there, from here till here we cut it. So there it goes, is this one. It's this one from here till here. This one is that one. This one is this one. You understand? So from here till there is which one? From here till here. Because this one is a little bit back. You understand? It's a little bit back. Who's telling you that? Is your what? Is your front view. Because from here till here, you see that gap. So it's a little bit back away from your cutting plane. You understand? So this hole was cutted through along its height. So which means we are going to have another here solid line from here till there. And how are you going to trace that? So its diameter what? Its diameter 12. From here to there is diameter 12, which is the same as from here to there, which is the same as from here to there. You understand? So, and we do have it down there in our top view. So you trace it, there it goes, there it goes, there it goes. From there it goes, which means I'm going to have a point here. There you go, there you go. Another point here. So the height of these holes of mine, so it's going to give me that. So there will be dark till where? Dark till from here till right there. So remember, which is this one. So from here till here, isn't it? So trace it, which means there will be dark from here till right here. From here till right here. So construct it dark. So I know to draw the missing view is used to be a little bit challenge, especially to draw the inside missing view. You understand? So as much as constructional line I think everything is done. So let us now section. These are now internal views. Understand? So now remember, when you section, we are sectioning using a 45 degrees, and all your hatches, they must be equally spaced. You understand? So I'll decide to start here. So there you go. At an angle of 45 degrees. Remember, here we are not going to section here. You don't section your left view here, because it was not cutted. Do you see that I'm sectioning them simultaneously, all of them, to save time inside the examination center. But here it's going to be in sectioning. In here, going to be in sectioning. In here, don't forget. From here, this one in sectioning. This one comes here. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. There we go. Everyone, you see that I'm sectioning them simultaneously, the three of them. So here we go. Here we go again. Like this. Like that. Yeah. So push your set square. You can have it here. Have it right there. So about these holes, I've explained in our part 1 about these holes. But why are they not becoming dark? So just scroll down to look for part 1 in the video for part 1, because this is part 2, isn't it? So they will disappear. 1, 2, 1, 2. In our front view again, 1, 2, 1, 2. They are going to disappear. You understand? So that is why here we are not having anything like dark again there in our front view. There you go. Okay, yeah, so that was the last one in our left view, but the front view is already in. There you go. So that the front view is already in with the hatching. There you go, there you go. finish up. There you go. Go. You must take your time. There you go. Remember, the more you tighten them, it's time consuming, and the more you separate them a little bit far from each other, it's a problem again. So that was it. So in the final examination, do not draw what you are not asked. You will see a student drawing the projection symbol and the title of the drawing, thinking that there will be marks. You don't draw what is the question. The question, it will tell you that insert the projection symbol, insert dimension, you understand. In this case, you are done like this, because they didn't say draw the title block and the scale. You understand? You see them printing a scale, the projection symbol, and the dimension. No, you'll be just wasting your time inside the examination center. You understand? Do not draw what they didn't say. So don't waste your time printing the title block, the scale 1:1, and the. You understand? So in this case, they didn't ask you about any of those. You understand? So you submit your work like that. You understand? So thank you very much, guys, for watching. That was Mr. Ngosi of engineering drawing for this previous question paper that was written 2018 July. It was an X paper. So see you on the next video, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video you are watching. You understand? So see you on the next video. Okay, if you have any question, just let me down there on the comment. Okay.